Hello and welcome to a brand new vlog here in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm 11 times techno and progressive psytrance DJ and producer and recently organizer. Actually full-time event organizer now, kind of. And today we are organizing an event at a brand new nightclub. They just opened 4 weeks ago and actually it's more like a EDM slash hip hop slash R&B club. But today we try to convince them that techno and psytrance is so much better. So yeah, it's quite a challenge, and also the pre-sale didn't go as well as our last events. So I hope we have more walk-ins than usual, but fingers crossed, we tried our best to get as many people into this club. It's quite challenging, especially because the club is new, no one knows about the club. And furthermore, you really can feel that the competition is getting stronger and more compared to like 1 or 2 months ago. So yeah, those are challenges. I like it. Right now I'm standing on my beautiful rooftop here on my condo with this amazing downtown view. I still can't believe that I live here for just $400 per month. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, look at this pool. Anyways, it's time to go to the club. I will show you around and yeah, take you with me to this experience. And as always, enjoy the trip. Let's go. Alright, I'm going with style today. Taking a tuk-tuk. I mean, why not? Living in Thailand, right? So tuk-tuks are basically quite expensive and you have to negotiate a lot to get kind of a reasonable price. But the big advantage is it's cool, it's fun. It's not really faster than a car, but yeah, it's fun. And look at this traffic right now. We have traffic jam over there. But anyways, it's fun. I'm excited. Taking a tuk-tuk cost me like $5, so let's do this. Woo! Made it to Thonglor. Alright, the most important thing for every event is to go to 7-Eleven. I want to have like 1-2 beers and also a water would be nice. 1 beer, and then I also take like a small vodka bottle or something, just in case, you know, when I'm thirsty. We are at Thonglor 10. I think we are at Thonglor 10. Where are we right now? Are we at the right place? I'm not so sure right now. Ah, here, okay. Basically, Thonglor 10 is like one big road, or Thonglor is one big area with many nightclubs, bars and everything. But it's mainly for Thai people, so a lot of Thai music, hip-hop music, live music and stuff like that. So not the typical area where tourists are going. But besides that, still a really good area and I like it a lot. Alright, this is the club. Step 1, plug USB. Step 2, select USB. Step 3, find the hole.
How many USBs have we got here?
2.
Like, is it just the 2? I was like, I've seen that, but that's...
They are only for computer connection. You have to be careful here with this thing, like when you jump.
I don't.
Hello. Put your hands up in the air.
Hi everyone, come here, let's go to party!
This is how a DJ looks like when he has issues with his music. Alright, the first guests are here. Party just started, so it's gonna be fine. and then we are ready for the after party. Alright, what a night. It was quite an experience to make a techno event or techno and psytrance event inside a hip-hop / EDM club, because like all the normal people who usually go to this nightclub, they were a little bit confused, I guess, but many liked it as well, and in total we had around 120 people who came to our event, which is okay, considering that this club is really new and that it was in an area where usually no techno parties are happening at all. But comparing this event to our normal events like our pool parties or yard parties or our main events in bigger nightclubs or like festivals now in Koh Phangan, we have much more people who join our events. And then I have to say it was like, nah. But yeah, still, the feedback was good. So the people who came, they had a good time, which is the most important part, at least for me. And therefore I think it was a success, kind of. And yeah, now it's time to get ready for our next events already. Because in 2 days we have our Ansa Techno event, where we play techno only at a really nice, unique and secret nightclub in Bangkok. Followed by our yard party on the 11th of February in Phuket. And in between I also play at the full moon party on Koh Phangan and a jungle party in Koh Phangan as well. So I'm really excited to share all of those experiences with you guys, and I try to upload now weekly a new video. I try my best. And yeah, I simply want to share my life as a DJ and music producer. I want to show you that it's possible to somehow make a living out of something you love, although it can be really hard and frustrating sometimes. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, enjoy the trip and hope to see you next week, and please subscribe.